Hello everybody, welcome to Digital Painting and Photography channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island, Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this black and white image for a long time ago. Well, this is my subject today, and I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Pretty cool pencil drawing type image, isn't it? Well, I don't know if I'm going to use this pencil drawing type image today. I want to colorize this base image. Actually, I did colorize once already on this canvas background, but today I'm going to try again. Well, I don't know what color is going to be. Well, let's get started. Okay. I'm gonna add layer over this black and white image, then change blend mode, normal to color, then choose the brush, airbrushing to medium airbrush, no brush texture, just airbrush type. Well, go for nice skin tone first. Let's see. She's a model from one of the best model agencies in Okinawa, Southern Cross. Color. Well, it's kind of dark, huh? I'm gonna select eraser tool, same brush, airbrushing to medium airbrush. These tools are all same brush now. Especially this hand, light comes from right hand side, so it's highlight side. I gotta add another layer. Blend mode is normal. These two layers are colors, just different blend mode. Okay, now go for makeup. Oops, this time, oh okay, same color layer. Okay, now highlight side. Okay, now I'm gonna paint her outfit. Well, let's see. That's kind of easy to paint jeans first. Okay, now let's see. Okay, pretty much. Alright, Now add one more for background. Okay, now I go, well, about this background. We got thin, yellowish. More like a sepia color on background. Okay, now I'm gonna make mask. Alright, so far, and I'm gonna emphasize some colors though. On this background, well, I want to add some paint more, maybe overall. Well, since we don't have much colors on this layer, so, this is normal blend mode. Okay, in this case, well, let me see if I add layer and change blend mode to add. This is my first time to different layer. Use the blend mode add or adding some add means not color. Okay, in this case I gotta bring this one back, change to color. Yeah, okay, this is just creative add color. Change blend mode to color. Just to emphasize some image. And also I want to try something different, something interesting. Well, let's think about it. Like a key light. Almost done for colorize, and I got this much colored. Now I want something, 3 different color layers. One is color, one is normal blend mode, two others are blend mode color. Just color informations of these. This is models, and this one is normal blend mode, which doesn't have much density, so I just painted. Then this one is like a key light of her hair and shadow colors. That's sort of creative color, creative paint, adding colors. Yeah. Okay, now from here, almost done for all the colors. And I have this pencil drawing type image. Now when I change to color burn, linear burn, overlay, for interesting effect, hot light, vivid light, pin light. Well, these effects are nice for illustration type image. That's for next time. I'm gonna think about something different, something interesting. Well, luminosity. I add some colorful colors on her outfit, so it's gonna show up pretty much interesting image for next time. Well, that's for next time, and I gotta think about this base color image. I may add some different colors or try to make something creative image and illustration type image as well. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. Well, see you next time, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day. And see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.